Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video we are going to be learning how you can download Mortal Kombat 1 on your PC. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. So first of all, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be heading over to a browser of your choice, and there you are going to be simply heading over to Steam. Simply type in Steam on your browser, and once you do, you can see the very first link which says welcome to Steam, and we are going to be heading over to that, and just wait for a couple of moments until it loads up. So now, as you can see, Steam is now loaded up, and here we are going to be simply searching for Mortal Kombat 1 in the search field on the top right side of your screen. You can see we have the search bar. Simply type in there Mortal Kombat 1, and then you're going to be simply pressing on this little magnifier icon to search for that particular game. And once you do, you can see Mortal Kombat 1 is now available at the very first place. Simply click on that and just wait for a couple of moments. So yeah, here as you can see, the game is now loaded up, and we can simply add it to cart. You can see, buy a simple version of Mortal Kombat 1, or we can buy a premium edition as well, which is going to be a bit pricey than the normal one. But yeah, that's the process. You can simply add it to cart and just play the game, and that's going to be a simple process. So I hope you found this video really interesting, and play Mortal Kombat 1 with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.